Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm gonna do a craft with me, a back to school craft with me, okay? So my daughter, she has to have a hard case, like a box. So I'm gonna go ahead and fancy up these zipper cases that I got at Hobby Lobby. This is the bigger one. I'm gonna use this one because she has like a big pack of markers and I think that it will fit better. I think the smaller one, they do have a smaller one for $2.99. Let me see, where is it? And I don't think the markers are gonna fit in there, so I'm gonna use the bigger one. So $2.49 actually. So you guys can grab that one if you want a smaller one for your kiddos. They have this at Hobby Lobby with a white zipper clear case, and then they also have the teal color. And I think that the teal color one is iridescent. I can't remember, guys. But this pink one is for sure iridescent. That's why I wanted it. And I also picked up these iron-on stickers. And I'm gonna actually glue these with E6000. So let's hope it works, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and spell out my baby's name. We're gonna do Ava. Okay, let's see. And again, I'm gonna use E6000. What will be the front? What will be the back? I don't know. Let's see which is the nicest. Let's just, you probably want to clean this with alcohol. All right, we'll go with this side because I feel like it's less scratched up. And we're just going to go ahead and spell out Ava. This is a quick DIY you can do for your kiddos or your grandbabies or your nieces and nephews. I got to make sure I space this out nicely, guys. And I'm so happy this one has 2 A's, or else I would have to buy another pack. And at $6.99, baby, that's a little steep. So A-V-A-H is how we spell Ava. I need my tea ruler that my lovely friend Heather gave me so I can line it up perfectly. Here, let's just put them on the best we can for now, and then we'll straighten them up. I just want to get everything positioned right. And I definitely feel like I need to move it over just a tad bit. So I would definitely clean the surface with alcohol first, just so that you can rid it of any dust or debris. So guys, you can grab these and personalize their backpacks. I don't suggest putting kids' names on backpacks and stuff like that, or shirts, because strangers might be like, hey, you know what I mean? People are weird. All right, I think this is good. But you can do like a quote or a word. Okay. And I think I'm gonna apply this E6000 off camera, guys, just so to make this video shorter. And then I want to use some of my stickers. Let's see. Sorry for all the noise. The family is home cooking and doing all kind of stuff. All right. I need a small bowl. These are, I ordered these off Amazon, guys. If you're interested, let me know. Yeah, let's use this one. One of these bowls I think will look cute. Even that one, right? I wish you guys can answer me right now. Let's see. I love the little cherries too. Let's just do a bunch. Like, let's fill this up and make it pretty, you guys. Yeah, let's just fill this up. So these are supposed to be for, what do you call it? Tumbler, like, you know, the glass cups, but we're not gonna use that for that. I think I'm gonna do the cherries on the side of her name. And all you have to do with these, guys, is just release the back paper, stick it where you want it, and literally rub it down with your fingernail, or if you have one of those squeegee things, and peel the tape back. And it is good to go. So let's do another little cherries. This one is so cute, guys. This is the Amazon one. You can get those cute little boxes from Dollar Tree. They have the little pencil boxes, the hardcover ones, and you can do this with those. But $2.49 for the smaller one of this one is really cute, really affordable. All right, so we got the cherries. Let's put some bows because Ava loves bows like her mama. I was able to see Ava's classroom, and the teacher had like all the boxes set up, and I'm like, oh, I gotta personalize Ava's. So Ava's gonna have the cutest little, and maybe I'll get her like those little toys, those little like plushie things. Those, what do you call them, guys? Like the little keychains. And I'll hang it from there. I don't want her to get too distracted though with like toys and gadgets and stuff, you know. Okay, let's put this bow. Let me know what you guys are eating for dinner today. We're having flautas again, chicken flautas. My baby Lexi's cooking them, and I'm so happy that I don't gotta cook. Okay. This mommy needs a break sometimes. Okay. Is there another bow? Yeah. There's a few different bows on this set. Guys, if you don't have this set from Amazon, like, what are you waiting for? It was really affordable. I think I only paid like $12 or $10, and it came with a ton of them. All the other ones I found on Amazon, they didn't have that much. All right, let's put this bow here. This is so cute, guys. I was hoping to find, you know, some different kind of letters that didn't really have this stuff, because I feel like it'll get dirty, but since it'll be at school, I think it'll be fine. She's just gonna be opening and closing this to get her crayons and her markers to color. So guys, let me know, are your kiddos or your grandbabies back to school, and what grade are they entering? And if you're super excited, and let me know if you had to break the bank to get school stuff, guys. Oh my God, it's so expensive. Stick that there. I feel like I'm babbling and I should stop the video and just show you guys when it's done. I think I'm gonna clean this with alcohol afterwards, because it still leaves, when you put these on, it kind of still leaves something. All right, let's cut some more bows. Aw, I should have put that one right here, you guys. We'll just put it right here. Yeah. I like stuff to be symmetrical, and it bugs me sometimes when it's not. All right, let's do this bow in the center. Sorry guys, Lexi's frying those flautas. Oh, I miss doing stuff like this. You know, my older ones, they think they're too grown for stuff like this. But I think Lexi's gonna like this. She's gonna say, can you make me one? All right, we'll put this one here. Those cherries are adorable. All right, and then I have these little fillers. I'm just gonna go ahead and put those wherever. And we're gonna call this done. But don't forget, you guys can add stuff to the zippers. Some cute little beads, some little charms. I should make one for the teacher. I should customize one for the teacher and put those little teacher charms that I have. All right, there's a few little hearts. And there's some like little sparklies. Let's do the hearts right here. Guys, please try this out. This was so fun to make. And then we have these little sparkles. Let's put it right here. Ava, look. Let's see what she says, guys. I need her approval. It's gotta be Ava approved. Look at what I made for you.
It's so pretty.
What does it say?
It says A and B and H.
A-H. Ava. It says Ava.
Yeah.
It says your name, Ava.
Yeah. It's a heart.
Yeah, it's a heart.
Yes. It's a cherry.
You like it?
Yes. And this is so pretty, Mom.
Yeah.
Anything is so pretty.
What's your favorite color?
Pink. You want this for
Period.
me, Mommy. This is so pretty.
Thank you. It's for you. Take it to school.
Yes.
You're gonna put your markers in here and your crayons.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. And this is so very pretty.
All right, guys. So that's it. I'm gonna glue these down with E6000 just so that I know it doesn't go anywhere. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little DIY craft with me back to school craft. Leave me a comment down below and I will catch you all in the next video. Thank you.